Well, we've covered the 5 main areas of green building, starting with a sustainable site, using water efficiently, conserving materials through reuse and recycling, maintaining good indoor air quality, and of course, using energy efficiently. Now, even though we've only just begun to scratch the surface, we've thrown an awful lot of information at you. And the last thing we want to do is to leave you with more questions than you have answers. So we asked some of the folks that we've met along the way, what does this mean for the typical homeowner? Where do you take it from here and how do you get started?
I'd say the energy efficiency is the start, and then the finish is whatever the situation can afford. And as the market grows, we're seeing more suppliers able to give us more products that are green and the same cost, which makes a great advantage to us because I see in the next couple of years almost everything will be eco-friendly.
What would you say as far as homeowners, what they can really do in maybe baby steps to get started in the right direction?
You said the right thing there, Danny. You got to take baby steps. You don't run up Mount Everest. You get to base camp, you get acclimated, and you climb only as high as you can. And different people can climb to different levels depending on their income and different things. So you do something simple. You buy a compact fluorescent bulb. If you like it, you buy a few more. Get an energy-saving thermostat. You simply turn off the appliances when they're not in use. You just save energy any way you can. You ride a bike if weather and fitness permit. You take public transportation that's available near you. You do what I'm doing. You can see right here, this vegetable garden. I grow a lot of food here. Delicious broccoli, that I eat all the time. The more you pick, the more you get. Organic produce. And I grow a lot of food here on site. It's good for the environment, and again, it saves me money. It's a really good idea to save as much as you can. That's what I've done here. I picked all the low-hanging fruit first, then I moved up to some medium-ticket items, and finally the big-ticket items like the solar.
The 2 top topics or issues on people's mind are energy efficiency and indoor environment quality. Those are the topics that are being most investigated by consumers, and then related products are being most demanded by consumers at this point.
And consumers are demanding green. That's obvious from what we see in neighborhoods, on store shelves, and at shows like the Green Build Expo. But with so many products out there labeled green, how do we really know what's right for the environment or just clever marketing?
It's a very good question, and right now it's difficult to decipher between the authentic messages and the inauthentic ones. In my opinion, my favorite mantra is that there is no green product that can come from a brown company. So instead of just looking at the features and attributes of a particular product, I think it's important for consumers and for building professionals to look beyond those products into the companies themselves, meaning looking into their operating and their manufacturing processes, their product development, and their marketing messages to see if they are indeed authentic.
I've been renovating homes for a lot of years, and usually the questions I would get from homeowners would be, how much would something cost? How long will it take to complete the project? And can I get this or that in a different color? But now homeowners are asking about green products and techniques and how they can fit in to building or remodeling their home. I think that's a great thing.